we are moving, I wanted to therefore title the talk as 10x aspiration. And 10x is not something created by me, it is created by Mukesh Bhai, our chairman. When Mukesh Bhai says 10x, it is 10 times better, but 10 times cheaper. So then we are not talking about 10-fold, we are talking about 100-fold, all right, in terms of price performance ratio. So that is the high aspiration one has to have, and that's what we do with all these 130 startups and the new startups that are going to come.
All the scaling that happens in the erstwhile organizations used to happen by way of growth. So you invest as you kind of grow. Whereas with Jio, with the kind of expanse that Reliance provides, what happens is that you first scale first and prove your scalability before you even start growing.
Jio Gen Next program has really been a 5-year journey. All of them are much more ambitious now in their goals. I think Reliance is much more structured in its approach to the startups. So I think the engagement that's possible, the kind of partnership that's possible, the kind of execution and maturity you see during the cohort is much, much greater.
NPCI, with the products that we have built the platform for every startup to leverage. The awareness and market fit of the startups is something that Jio has helped us a lot.
The way we are operating is an independently run business. Our culture, operations, office, all of that continues to be the way that it was before. We have a clear path in what we need to achieve as an independent business and as part of what Reliance will also want to achieve, collaborating and innovating with us.
I was able to connect with the relevant business owners or the key decision makers in certain in the industry that we needed access to. So they were helping us to get to them. And second, a very important outcome of this has been the ability to collaborate with other startups.
Initially, when I got a call from Gen Next team that it's been a month that you have attended this program, and at the time of graduating out of this program, you will be selected under top 5 to give a pitch. And I thought, okay, it will be a small room pitch. But when I came to know it's like 80 people, 100 people attending it with the full of VCs and other ecosystem players, it actually gave me a lot of excitement.
So when we joined the program, we had about 1,200 families subscribed with us. And today we have about 30,000 families which are subscribed.
We have actually grown from almost zero end users, to currently 1 million monthly active users, primarily because of Jio Gen Next program.
When we joined Jio Gen Next in August 2018, we were working with 500 odd users. Today we are working with more than 15,000 users.
I think the whole aspect of how Reliance, or for that matter Jio, looks into a business, that by itself is a huge differentiator that any startup founder would get.
We usually get caught up with product and we focus on product and building a product. But what Reliance brings is market experience, what can sell, or what do we need to do to sell better.
When you come over here, you interact with other startups and you share your knowledge with them and gain what they are doing in the industry.
It's usually you work with decision makers, you're not exactly like involved in the bureaucracy. So it's a very smooth sailing when you want to work with Reliance.
What was the most important thing that Gen Next did to us was it gave us the confidence that we matter in the startup ecosystem. That's very important for entrepreneurs.